Morning. Morning. No paper. No paper. So I gotta get in touch with the Dayton Daily News and lay some smack down because this is the second time I don't have a paper. So I'm gonna have to talk to my friend Anna. So fun happy times. Went to church this morning and our new church was really nice. It's big. It's good. It's good. We had a good time. I mean, as much of a good time as you can have at church. It was a little sermon, it was a little but the church is really nice, and there's people there that we know already because they go to work with Brian, so that's nice. So we had that. So my hair's all did and I look all pretty because we went to church. So I'm going to hopefully get my paper so I can cut some coupons. So I have to cut the coupons from last Sunday's paper, and we're gonna hopefully get a microwave and a washer and a dryer today. That's the thing. That's the plan. So I'm going to get my shopping on and then get that going. Right after Anna gets me my paper. Hello! I'm in the car. What a surprise. I know. I'm on my way shopping. Yeah. You know what? They say, like, Sunday drivers and stuff like that. I never believe that. But, like, 4 different cars today that we have been behind, being Sunday, like, have had some spiritual repent message on a bumper sticker or some kind of magnet attached to their vehicle, and it was been crazy. It's like the most I've ever seen, and they have to be Sunday drivers. It just feels like, I know Sunday drivers are supposedly like those really slow people, but no, this is literally church going folk. So it's actually quite funny. But I'm trying.
Incoming call. Press the pickup.
Ridiculous. I'm going to Kroger. Okay? He calls. He's like, hey, babe. I'm like, what? He's like, I need an 8-foot Ethernet cable. I was like, I'm not going to get that at Kroger. Well, I need it. Okay. But Kroger doesn't sell electronical things. And Ethernet cable is considered something like that. It's like, we'll just have to get it at Best Buy or something. I can't get it at Kroger. Oh, okay. What? I can't put it on my list? I don't know what that was. So, anyway. My hair is crazy today. It's not as crazy. It's not the nice crazy that I like, but, you know, whatever. So, that's it so far. It's a lazy Sunday. Going to get a washer and dryer. Must get a washer and dryer. That is the main objective for today, is to get a washer and dryer. So, that's why I hate chapstick, because it gets stuck on your lips and it drives me crazy. So, to the Kroger. There's a bird in the supermarket. It's trying to eat the mushrooms over in the corner. No one's noticed it yet, except me, but I don't want to video it because people will think I'm crazy. I mean, I think I'm crazy, so we'll see how this works out. Somebody loves their pizza goldfish. You didn't buy them out, though. They still had one more box going. Now we gotta get the Hello Kitty microwave. Huh, babe? Yes, that's the one I want. It's our first fire in our new house. Yeah. So awesome. Make some mountain pies. Have us some yummy food. It's gonna be delicious. First test mountain pie. Oh my. Where are the coals? You sort of need coals to cover it, but got our new microwave. Look at that. That's pretty sweet, huh? Ooh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Dessert. Apple Mountain Pie. Hey.
Will our savings make your budget look big? Join the lot of furniture for little money sale at Value City Furniture. The answer is yes. Any budget looks great when it's
Definitely a lazy Sunday.
only $26.99.
That'll make me teepee. Oh, I'm gonna go sleep, so I'll talk to you tomorrow. Love you. Night.